The Volkswagen Atlas key fob, used from 2018 to at least 2025, houses a CR2032 coin cell battery. To begin, locate the seam on the fob's back. Using a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, carefully pry open the case. The two halves snap together, so gentle but firm pressure is required. Avoid forcing the case to prevent damage to the internal circuitry. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. With the fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery using a non-conductive tool like a plastic pry tool to avoid damaging the internal components. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side should face up. This is crucial for correct polarity and prevents short-circuiting the fob's circuitry. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity with the positive side facing up to match the fob's requirements. Snap the case shut, making sure it's fully closed and secure to protect the internal components. Test the fob's functions by locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm the battery replacement was successful. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center, following EPA guidelines to handle lithium batteries safely. If the fob doesn't work after replacement, a quick OBD2 scan or a visit to the dealership may be needed for reprogramming due to the fob's integration with the vehicle's systems.